father of the 17-year-old girl who died by suicide in Thanjavur has now filed a caveat petition before the Supreme Court. The Tamil Nadu government is likely to move the Supreme Court on the order passed by the Madras High Court to transfer the Thanjavur suicide case to the CBI. My colleague Mugilan now joins me live on the broadcast. Mugilan, this is another development as far as the suicide case is concerned. The Madras High Court has already ordered for a CBI probe. Now we hear that the government in the state really is going to be appearing before the Supreme Court in this particular matter. Now the father has also, appeared before the court.
Definitely, we have already seen the Madurai bench of the Madras High Court have already allowed the petition that was moved by the petitioner, that is the father of the 17-year-old Thanjavur girl seeking CBI investigation, because the petitioner then argued before the Madurai bench of the Madras High Court that they have lost confidence on the Tamil Nadu Police, and that is why they want the to be
All right, it seems to be some problem with Mugilan's link. We'll try and reconnect, but this is the latest that we are getting in the Thanjavur suicide case. Now, the father of the 17-year-old girl who died by suicide has filed a caveat petition before the Supreme Court, and we also know that the government in the state is also likely to move Supreme Court on the order that had been passed by the Madurai bench of the Madras High Court to transfer this case to the CBI. All right, we have Mugilan back with us. Mugilan, yes, you were saying.
Definitely, we have seen that Madurai bench of the Madras High Court have allowed the petition moved by the family members of the 17-year-old girl seeking CBI, and follow that the case also was transferred. But even when the arguments were put forth by the Tamil Nadu state government, we have seen that the mere allegation cannot be sole basis for transferring the case to CBI, and it should be given time to investigate the case. So now, as the case has been transferred to the CBI, now the father of the 17-year-old girl also have moved a caveat petition before the Supreme Court, stating that no order should be passed without consulting them. So it is not clear, because even though we hear from the sources that the Tamil Nadu state government might approach the Supreme Court against the lower court's order, but so far there is no confirmation. We are waiting to get a confirmation from the Tamil Nadu government side whether they will be moving to the Supreme Court against the Madurai bench order. So if that is the case, if the petition is moved from the Tamil Nadu state government, then the father's side also have to be heard by the Supreme Court, because they have moved a caveat petition in the case.
Absolutely. Mugilan, thank you so much for joining me with all those details.